alcohols can be dehydrated to form alkenes. So we've got CnH2n plus 1 OH, arrow CnH2n plus H2O. And in this video, we're going to be dehydrating ethanol to form ethene, the process of it. So C2H5OH, arrow H2SO4, or we can use H3PO4 as a catalyst, sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid, I'm pretty sure. I'm not fully sure, but H3PO4 is the other catalyst we can use. And more than often, they're both coupled together and used together. But that's not really relevant. So C2H5OH, arrow H2SO4, bracket H3PO4 to form alkene plus H2O. Ethene plus H2O, from ethanol to ethene, C2H4 plus H2O. So the ethanol is heated with a concentrated sulfuric acid catalyst. Ethanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid catalyst, and one thing to be wary of is that the product is in a mixture with the water, acid, the reactant, and the with the water, acid, and reactant. Therefore, the alkene has to be separated out, because think about it, if the product's in a mixture with water, acid, reactant, it's going to contain impurities, therefore the alkene has to be separated out. Elimination of water from ethanol. Elimination reaction. So you can see here, ethanol with a lone pair of electrons of oxygen, because we're heating with a concentrated sulfuric acid catalyst, bonds to a H plus, acid catalyst. Now the oxygen is positive and it is bonded to 2, so H2O. And you can see this like arrow here, and it's the idea that it's going to feed electrons towards a positive charge in alkyl groups. And now what's going to happen is that H2O is going to leave. So from the middle of CO bond to the oxygen, and you can see plus H2O. But now what's happened is the carbon, this carbon's positive now, because from the middle of the CO bond to the oxygen, the carbon's positive. Now it wants to reform the double bond, and now you reform the plus H2O, reform the double bond plus H2O plus H plus, and the carbocation loses a H plus. Now, dehydration are more complicated alcohols, therefore meaning there's more than one possible products. Okay, yeah, there's more than one possible products. Well, what will happen is a double bond will form either side of the carbon with the OH group attached. Double bond form either side of the carbon with OH group attached. So in this case, if we were dehydrating this with H2SO4, heating with the concentrated sulfuric acid catalyst, we would form this where the double bond is on the first carbon, and then we'd form on this where the double bond is from second and third carbon.